Okay, so it's the following day. A little warmer out, but not enough to thaw everything, so have the carbon monoxide 300 on there for a while. I'm gonna run to town and forget about this. Hopefully it doesn't catch on fire. If the wiring hasn't already, I think we're good. I don't have any ducting for the heater. That was run over a long time ago. So we're just going with the heat should rise theory. Yeah, we'll see what it does. I gotta remember to get gas. What a fucking sad Christmas tree. Wow. And now the jet heater died, so we're gonna hope that severely overfilling the tank is going to fix this. Whoa! Fuck you, EPA. Well, I just spent way too much money in town on nothing. Heater's still running, feels a little warm under there now, so I'm gonna just let it go. It's gonna get dark soon, but it's 2:30 in the afternoon and the sky is already getting that pink of you're gonna be working in the dark. So that's nice. All the BTs of the U's. We're gonna just see if it cranks over because I'm impatient. Key is in. And in the on position. I'm gonna need to set the phone down while I do the... Yeah, so enjoy the view. Okay, let's give it some sauce. Okay, well, it's alive. Let me get some gas hooked up and maybe we can thaw it from the inside. Take two. Might start pulling gas now. Nope. That sounds the alternator, by the way. She's cold, but we're going. Or not. Come on. There we go. Okay, so as it pukes cooling everywhere, we're gonna let it just sit and heat soak for a minute. I'm gonna try to plow out a path to get it up front in the property so it's easier to get to and work on. Gotta fill up our fuel cell. Then we're gonna try to make it up front over there without hitting the charger, ideally. You just stay put now, little buddy. I've been looking for that. Getting my fat ass up here is not fun. In the slightest. Anyway, we're gonna do the wire trick again. I'll try to film heading out, but you know, I'm retarded and only have one camera, so we'll see. For those wondering, we do actually have some oil pressure. Well, not now, but you know. I tell you what, this is gonna get old pretty fucking quick. Okay, now fucking work. Okay, Jesus Christ. We made it about 7 fucking feet. And now it wants the starting fluid again. So, here we go. I think there's some ice in the carburetor. I hate this hood with such a burning passion right now. And again, we made it this far. Probably gonna clear the charger. Have one marker light, so that's nice. Dug in a bit on this side. And again, it needs the go juice. Fucking Christ! Well, would you look at that? We actually have taillights. Okay, hopefully I'm gonna just let it run now for a bit. Warm up. Every now and then to get it to idle. Gotta clear it out. There you go. Well, I call that somewhat a victory.